everybody, it's Gypsy. So yesterday we had that snowstorm, and now we have this beautiful winter wonderland for the moment. It's a beautiful day, clear blue skies, sunshine, and it's gonna go up to a high of 50 today. So right now it is 36 degrees outside. I'm in the greenhouse, and like I told you the other day, because of the snowstorm, I was going to keep my plants covered, not just during the night, but all day yesterday. So I did that. And so it's 36 outside now. And it is about 42 degrees inside the greenhouse. I just uncovered the plants, and I'm pretty impressed with the results. So what I was first impressed with, I have Tom Thumb peas planted in these 2 pots. And so I was debating on whether to bring them in the house or leave them out here. What I ended up doing was I took a beach towel, and I wrapped the pots in the beach towel and put them in a box. One of the cardboard boxes I have in here. Not only did the soil not freeze, I think there's a little one, where is it? Coming up. There's a little pea coming up, pea plant. So actually leaving them out here worked really well. Let's see what else. Some things didn't pop up yet, but let's see. Carrots, it's too early for. The arugula is going crazy. It's just popping up all over the place. Radish. I uncovered them this morning. Let's see, I got a little radish there and a little radish there. So, I think there's another one coming up over there. Yep. So it really worked well. The radicchio. Oh my gosh. It just loved it out here with the cold. I had them covered up, and I didn't know what to expect when I uncovered everything today. But it looks great. So let's go over to the other. I have a lot of stuff in here right now because I didn't want to leave it out in the snow. So it's a little hard to walk. My little kale seedlings. There's one there. I uncovered them. They looked perkier now after I uncovered them after the storm. Spending an entire day in the dark, covered up in the cold. They look better now. Let's see. Broccoli. My broccoli just perked up so great. And my other stuff, I just planted it the other day, like my spinach and stuff. So we didn't expect that. So some stuff, it helped, things that I planted last week, it seemed like it helped it sprout. And I just was shocked to see some things sprouting, especially my little pea plant in the pot. Because, pots, they're going to freeze easier and stuff. But I just covered them, well, I don't know if you could see, in a beach towel. And this beach towel. And I put them in this box. And I uncovered them. I was like, oh my God, they're sprouting. And the radicchio, wow. And the radishes seem to really, really enjoy the situation. So I'm pleased. I was a little worried with the snowstorm what was going to happen, but it worked well. So I'm going to leave you with that. Blessed be, and make it a joyful one.